sabes. Ey, ya tú sabes. That is spaz. Ya tú sabes. That I spaz. Ey, estoy escuchando los voces que dicen que sigo atrás. Los digo que sigo rompiendo. Still got my foot on the gas. Still going 100 what they doing.
How y'all doing? My new subscribers was popping. For no one that wanna do this since day one, mad love y'all. Appreciate y'all.
Esto fue que se anime al gym. I've been lifting up all of this baggage. Remember staying up 2 or 3 nights cause I didn't get no sleep, I was too busy trapping. Escribiendo un par de canciones para irme a sleep, man, you know I was spazzing. Pa' de blunt y se cae Dolores.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy pt.2 back with another video. How y'all doing out there? For my new subscribers was popping. And for no one that always been this since day one, mad love y'all. Appreciate y'all for real. So how y'all doing out there, guys? I hope everybody's doing good. I hope y'all building, man. Don't keep building, guys. Never forget to build, man. For real. And like I always say, man, keep praying. Pray and have that faith, man. Pray for strength and pray for positivity, man, around your area, around your place, your family, and all that, man. Just keep your head up and keep riding. Like I always say, keep building, keep living, and keep riding, guys. But in today's video, I'm working on 3 frames, which is gonna be 3 bikes for a friend of mine's. And what's my dog at? Henny. Oh. Alright, and what I'm working on a lot is, I like challenges. I like, new things. I like learning, new things. So I'm working on frames right now, and doing different, styles, different, techniques, different, just challenges and different things, man. I mean, about building bikes and just building bikes is something different, man. You gotta level up and the things that you want to do and the things that you're doing. You feel me? You just don't want to stay at the same level, man. You try to level up on your your things and try to master everything that you do. You feel me? So that's where I'm at right now. I'm trying to learn different ways. And yeah, guys, so right now I'm working on 3 frames. I'm gonna show y'all, but I got a video on how I was doing it before. This is part 2 of a video that y'all seen before, and now it's all painted, which y'all gonna see right now. It's gonna be La Mexicana. It's gonna be painted of a Mexican flag. Okay, so this is the gold joint I got going on. Got it with the cross. Got a nice little design on it. I think I'm too close. Okay, so what I have here, I have 3 different names. La Chingona, El Barrio, y Tepito, Mexico. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I'm saying that right, but right now I'm gonna put each name on each chain guard. I don't got an airbrush gun or anything like that, so what I'm using is I'm cutting letters out and putting them together using an X-Acto knife. And I got some letters already cut out. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'll show you one that I already finished. Okay, so this is the one I got done. La Chingona. I got that one done for right now. Like I said, I don't got an airbrush gun right now. I would love to have one, and I would love to, you know, practice on it. But I'm just using what I have and what I could do at the moment. But along the road, I'm gonna get better at it and learn. But for right now, this is what it is. Do the same thing with this one, but this one's gonna be, I think this one's gonna be Tepito, Mexico. Hope I'm saying it right. If I'm not, someone correct me. But that's what I'm doing right now. Be right here. Alright guys, so this is what I got going on right now. This is the chain guards for the bikes. I already got this one. I got to do another spray down. That's what I got going on. Let me know what y'all think. It's La Chingona. This is Tepito, Mexico. I don't know if I'm saying that right. If I'm saying it wrong, sorry. And this one is El Barrio. So this is what we got going on right now, guys. Okay, so these are the frames I got done. Chain guards with special names on them. This is El Barrio. You can see the paint, the style that I'm doing. This is La Chingona. If you can see the you can see the sparkle on them. And this is La Mexicana. You know, I'm just trying to do different things, man. Trying to upgrade, you know, the styles. You know, trying to upgrade the styles. And but yeah, y'all can see the name. You know, just trying to do different things, you feel me? Kevin and Kate, y'all seeing my videos, man. Thank y'all for the inspiration. You know, if y'all know Kevin and Kate, man, they're good people, man. But yeah, this is what I got going on, guys. So this is done. So all I gotta do is, you know, throw a nice little polish on it. And I don't know, you think I should polish it now or should I just polish it when I have everything all together? Y'all let me know. But yeah, this is what we got going on, nice and smooth. Feel me? I like it. What you guys think, man? And like I said, it's different, you know what I mean? I want to keep doing this. I want to keep doing different things. Like I said, guys, I just want to challenge myself, you know, cause I want to do great things, man. I want to be good. I want to be nice. I want to be dopest. You feel me? And it's something that I love, man. It's something that, you know, it's part of my life. You feel me? And like I said, man, you don't want to stay in one level. If it's part of your life, it's something that you love to do, man. You don't want to stay at a level. You want to, you know, progress. You feel me? So, you know, that's the goals I'm working on right now. And I want to master it. You feel me? I want to master painting. I want to master, you know, lines, you know, cutting, and you know, just that lowrider style. You feel me? That's what I wanna master. You know, and I wanna get to it. You feel me? I just gotta keep working hard and keep working and don't stop. You feel me? And engraving too. I wanna get into engraving. I actually got a machine. I'm gonna show you right now. I actually got a machine an engraving machine. I got this at $20. You know, at the store, the supermarket. You know, all these $20, and I bought this like maybe like 4 months ago. Haven't used it yet, but it's a start. You know, and it's a start. And like I said, man, I just want to keep leveling my you know, my hobby, my passion. That, you know, this like I said, this is art. You know what I mean? Low riding is art. You feel me? And I want to express myself. I want to express my artwork, and I want to expand it. You know what I mean, guys? But I just want to say, guys, thank you for the support. Thank you for the love, man. And like I always say, man, keep building, keep riding, and keep living, guys. God bless. Thank you for the love, and thank you for watching, guys. Till the next video. Peace.